Doing a quick video today about cutting some copper that came from the roof of the Canadian Parliament buildings. I have a friend who's an architect for Parliament Canada, and they're doing some renovations on Center Block right now. And this copper that you see here was recently taken from the roof. Supposedly it was installed around 1952. It's actually in really good shape. Just has the patina on it, and that's it. They're probably replacing it just because it wasn't installed correctly the first time. Anyway, I'm cutting some Christmas ornaments out of the copper for him, and they're going to auction it off for charity. So I'll just measure this here. It's, the copper's about, measures as 0.032 of a inch, which is fairly heavy gauge copper. I believe that's 1.5 pounds per square foot. I just have sheet cam open here for one of the files that I cut, and we'll take a look at one of the tools I used. I recently cut some 2mm aluminum, and that's about twice the thickness of the copper that I was cutting. But since copper is a lot more thermally conductive, you need a lot more energy to cut it. So that's why I chose to go with these settings as a starting point, and they seem to work pretty well, so I just stuck with them. And that was 175 inches per minute for the feed rate, 0.15 inch for the pierce height, and 0.06 of an inch for the cut height, with a 0.07 second pierce delay, which was a bit long, but I just stuck with it, and it all seemed to go pretty well, as you can see in the cutting. Just taking a look at the cut pieces. See the example of the dross on the back of this one. It comes off fairly easy. You can just kind of crumbles off with your finger when you push on it. You can see there it took off a chunk, another piece. So they came out pretty good. You could probably try a bit faster speed than what I did, but it's a good starting point. Just leave you with a couple of clips here of it cutting in real time on the copper. Thanks for watching. Bye.